So, they are fixing this boat. This boat you see here can get to Cameroon from here. They are fixing this boat. So, that's it. They are fixing this boat. Look at the lake. What a beautiful sight. You can see what they are trying to do with this boat now. They are clearing the water hyacinth. The grass on the water is a hyacinth, and it helps fish to grow too. So they want to clear it so that the boat can access the lake. That's what they are doing. What a nice sight. See? That's it. So head to the lake. So you can see this boat. The boat has another chamber up here. Look at that. Look at that. Let me take a look at the boat. There's another chamber up here. Yes, that is it. Wow. Wow. This boat. They are fixing this boat and it's going to move from here to Cameroon. It has that capacity to move from here to Cameroon. Look at that local boat. And I found this boat in Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, and that is at the Osbo Lake. That's it. Wow. Wow, what a nice sight. This is the first chamber of the boat. That is you can call it the first floor. Probably they are going to fix a television there and all that. What a beautiful sight. Wow, that's another chamber there. Just like you have in the airplane. You have the first class, you have the economy class and all that, probably. I don't know whether this one is the economy class or business class or which one. But it is interesting to come here and see a local boat being fixed. And this boat, of course, will travel through this waterway you are seeing here. They said it can move up to even Cameroon. Wow, they are fixing it. Oh, there's another. That's it. Probably, if it is in the airplane now, maybe this is a chamber for the attendants and co. I don't know if it is on the airplane now. You can say air hostess. That's a chamber where they keep food, and all that. So I came in through that side, and I'm exiting through the other side. Wow, wow! My experience in a local boat at Bayelsa. Wow, I need to be careful. Let me now go and have a nice view of the lake. There's a place I'm going to show you now. From there, you can have a nice view of the lake. That is, since we couldn't access the pavilion, let me show you. Wow, that is it. That is it. From this place, you can have a nice view of the lake, the Oxbow Lake, here in Bayelsa State, Nigeria. What a lovely tourist attraction. Lovely, lovely tourist attraction.